Did you know each night we have 4 to 5 dreams that are speaking to us and giving us insight into our psychic balance, what we're creating in our life and our journey, becoming our true self. And most people ignore their dreams, but some of you that follow Jung, I'm sure you have been keeping a dream journal, or maybe you just started to pay attention to the dreams and think, oh, this is pretty interesting. You may even dabbled in dream dictionaries and trying to piece them together. And of course, we recommend to work with a Jungian coach to really get the juice of that dream interpretation, to actually do it in conjunction with your process of individuation, because it's all part of a process. It's not an isolated thing. But if you are curious about your dreams and you want to get started today, here's just a really simple thing you can do right now to help shift your psyche and use these dreams. Jung believed that if you write down your dreams and just read them out loud, even if you don't know what they mean, it starts to make a powerful shift in your psyche. So very simple, right? You just take your dream journal out, write your crazy dream out. You might not know what it means, but read it out loud. And if you do that every day, you're going to start to feel a shift in you. And you may even intuitively understand the messages that are coming through and notice patterns in your dream life. Of course, I recommend always having a coach to help you. But if you want to start today and want to begin, this is a great first step. So keep dreaming, keep looking at those dreams, because there's gold in them. Then they're waiting to speak to you and share with you so much wisdom about your life.